Hi there, I'm Jonathan from Primary Tech, and I'd like to introduce you to our competition for children. What we'd like you to do is to create a Google Classroom header, and it would be fantastic if these could be completed and returned back to us. More information can be found in the email that was sent. So to access the template that the children are going to need, what you're going to go ahead and do is click on the link in the email and go ahead and click Make a Copy. This will make a copy of the classroom header. Now, when this loads up, you will see there is a canvas already created for you that is the right size for the classroom header. And that's the area that's in blue down the bottom. That's our Primary Tech blue background colour. Feel free to leave that as it is. It's got our logo on as well, which is quite handy. Again, feel free to leave those as they are. It's also got lots of other images up at the top. And these won't be shown once we export this as a true image to fit in the classroom header. But what the children can do is when they come in here, they can have a look at some of these images and they might decide that actually they want the classroom logo in, and they're able just to drag and drop and pop the classroom logo into the header. They're also able to change any of the content on here. So if they wanted to, and I know we've said that there's a Primary Tech colour there, they can change this to be whatever they like in the background, and they can have a look at some of the other colours and let them really personalise this background. They can also choose to have a gradient of colours as well, if they'd rather, and this changes to nice different backgrounds in there. Obviously, we've seen they can insert images that they've got through here, and they might choose to put some branding in there, and they may well choose to add in other logos, so they can go into insert image, and they can either upload a image from their computer, they can do a web search, they can insert something from their Google Drive, or even something from their camera. I would be mindful not to include pictures of children in the Google Classroom header, if that's okay. They can also do things like insert text boxes or word art. They can insert lines, they can insert shapes. So they've got lots of different ideas. Like I said, the word art's really useful. So they might put their classroom name or some other type of text to go alongside the images that are in there. And they can customize these using the toolbar at the top. So they can again change the color, they can change the background borders, they can change the border thickness, they can change the border style, they can change the actual font, they can make them bold, italic, they can add links in here, they can also, as I said, go ahead and add lines and shapes and change the colours of each of these as well. Just some quick demonstrations here. You get the idea. So once they've finished, you're able then to do File and Download as a PNG image, and that'd be great. And then you'd be able to upload that image. What you might decide to do is actually delete all of these, because these are that we've done. We can delete all of these. You might decide to upload this as a template, and that's really easy to do. All you will do then is navigate into your Google Classroom, go ahead and find your class, and you can create a new assignment, add from your Google Drive, and one of the recent files that you've had should be that classroom header. Give each child their own copy, fill in the title and the instructions, and let the children go to work. Once they've finished it, there'll be instructions of how you as the teacher can submit these back to us, and also information around the prizes. We look forward to seeing your entries.